Hello everyone, my name is Rahman Beg Mirza, subject organization and strategy, discussion question number 4. Today I am going to talk about Herzberg's two-factor theory of motivation. Herzberg's two-factor theory of motivation is a well-known framework that explains how different factors contribute to job satisfaction and dissatisfaction in the workplace. It was developed by Frederick Herzberg, an American psychologist who interviewed 200 engineers and accountants to investigate their attitudes towards work. Overall, Herzberg found two types of factors at play regarding employee motivation: hygiene and motivators. Hygiene factors are essential for preventing employee dissatisfaction but do not necessarily lead to increased job satisfaction or motivation. These include salary, working conditions, company policy, supervision style, and interpersonal relation between colleagues and supervisors. The unique aspect of Herzberg's two-factor theory is that hygiene factors only cause adverse effects if missing. However, additional improvements do not positively affect work incentivization once provided at an up-to-standard level. Subsequently, employers must ensure both sets of factors are fulfilled adequately. On the other hand, motivators are those aspects that create high levels of employee motivation within organizations. These can include recognition from management or colleagues, sense of achievement. Motivators can increase job satisfaction through personal fulfillment or professional growth, opportunities like educational or professional development programs. One key aspect of this theory is each factor may function quite differently amongst individuals. So, what one person perceives as significance might be irrelevant for someone else. They seek individual solutions rather than universal rules regarding motivational drivers. For example, while some people might find stability crucial due to familial commitments, others could breathe or flexibility in roles since variety would keep them stimulated or motivated. Herzberg effectively accentuated the importance of having elements beyond pay hikes and comfortable physical working conditions to continually keep the workforce motivated, making them strive towards excellence, thereby leading to better business outcomes. In other words, effectively balancing motivating factors and environmental comfort would lead to optimal output. In conclusion, we must ensure that hygiene factors and motivating agents contribute positively to organizational culture about generic objectives. Through addressing these needs effectively, leadership will likely witness higher rate of satisfaction, ultimately leading towards increases in productivity and outcomes achieved. As a manager, there are various theories of motivation that I can adopt to guide my interactions with employees. One such theory is Herzberg's two-factor theory of motivation. According to this theory, job satisfaction and dissatisfaction are not opposite ends of the same size scale. They are separate entities determined by different factors in an employee's work environment. The hygiene factors, including salary, working conditions, and company policies, might prevent employees from being dissatisfied. Still, only when motivational factors like recognition and growth opportunities appear on the scene will an employee experience true job satisfaction. If I were an advocate for this theory as a manager, then changes will have to be made within our organization to make room for motivational drivers during daily or triennial tasks. It would involve ensuring that these drivers' autonomy or self-governance over one's workload, positive feedback loops directed towards team members through effective communication channels often recognizable, performance metrics fueling praise, remain focal points with dedicated monitoring system implemented throughout departmental communications, down project to task levels covering objectives to driving ideology claimed by stakeholders advocate alike. In addition, managerial attitudes towards the compensation model must shift away from placing grades on purely quantitative data, leaned over the time spent regardless spaced alongside colleagues, overchanging endpoints typically evoking static rewards unavailable until the end project restores completion. Touted strategic convenings leading above said progression chart mentioned above either have anonymous input methods allowing promotional recognition for calculation under scrutiny and active, if desired, via software engineering acquisition and code modules producing dependable results cloud giving HRFs bank salient stats instead heaping fractional storage unit. Taskmaster of fulfillment modulo sizing ensemble elegance given loads resulting overhead cost diligence optimization programs discount grow business outlook gains indeed. References and ZM assessing the determinants of Myanmar government employees job satisfaction through Herzberg's two-factor theory Chinese Public Administration Review. Zakaria N. Ibrahim, N. Rahmat, N. H. Nur Rizam, M. S. Sadan, N. Exploring Online Writing Collaboration through Herzberg's Two-Factor Theory, a case study, International Journal of Asian Social Science.